Hey and welcome, I'm Solo and this is ZN Gaming. In this video I'll be going over how to set up voice commands to change your scenes with OBS and Windows. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. If you haven't already watched my video on how to set up the voice commands in Windows, I definitely suggest to check that out now. And watching that first, in this video I'll be just going over how to add more commands to the already set up voice commands. I'll make sure to leave the link to that in the description below. That will cover everything from setting it up to using your first command. Now, if you've already got the voice control set up, let's jump over into OBS. There's just a couple of things we need to think about, like what we want to do for the command. For this command, in this example, we're just going to show how to change the scenes. I think this is going to be something that's going to be commonly used and going to be something that's going to be fairly easy to set up to get started. So basically, to change the scenes, what we want to do is we want to set up a hotkey to change the scenes. So first of all, we're going to go into the settings. We're going to go down to hotkeys and we're going to find the scene and the camera. These are going to be fairly easy to locate. This one here is going to be scene. And down here we're going to have camera. Now these already have hotkeys set for them, but what you want to do is set a hotkey for it. To do that, all you need to do is click on it. I select Control, Alt, Shift, F1 for the first scene, and for the camera, I clicked Control, Alt, Shift, F2. Once that's set in your hotkeys, and you have, make sure that it is the scenes that you want to switch. If you have other scenes, they might be named something else, gaming, main, whatever it may be. BRB is what we should be doing here. We want to just make sure that that's the scene that we add the hotkeys to. Just remember to take note of the hotkeys that you used and click OK. Now that we have that set, everything else is going to be done in the Windows voice commands. And to get there, we're going to minimize OBS and we're going to click Control Windows key and S. This is going to bring up the voice commands here. We're going to click on the question mark and view all voice commands. In here, to add a command, all we need to do is go down here to the voice shortcuts. We already have some added, but it's as easy as clicking create the command. You have to make sure that you name it what you want to say. So for this one here, we're going to be change scene. And in actions, we want to go down here to key press. Now this is going to be the Control Alt Shift F1. Once you let it go, it's going to show up. We're going to click apply and save. Now we have more than one here. Because it's just as easy as setting it up the second time, you just click create shortcut, change scene to, press hotkey, and this one here is going to be Control Alt Shift F2. That's as easy as it is. Click apply and click save. Now these here two commands will be change scene 1 and change scene 2. When you say that, when this isn't in sleep, it will actually do the key press for this, which in OBS is going to change your scene. And we'll jump over to OBS here and we'll make sure that it's listening. And there you go. I have mine set up as BRB, change scene BRB, and change scene 1. I found worked very good. Change scene 1. So sometimes it doesn't quite hear what you say. You do have to keep that in mind. As you've seen, a couple of the things that I say won't come out exactly as I'm saying them. It's because I'm a little bit of distance away from my mic and there's a little bit of noise in the background. So do make sure that you have the mic very close to your face and make sure that you speak very clearly into the mic. Change scene BRB, change scene 1. And that's as easy as it is. I have two mics, so I had to go over and speak into the other one, is why it doesn't quite pick it up, but that's as easy as it is, and there it is, switching back and forth. Now, if you're going through here and you're editing and you're having some issues, if you need to make the window bigger, you do not drag it from the bottom. As you can see, there's nothing that'll come up here so that you can make it bigger down here. What you need to do is go to the top and drag it up. That's how you can make this here bigger so that you can view more of the commands. Just drag it up and down from the top, not from the bottom. And I just thought that was a little hint or a little trick that would be good to know before you set it up. But after that, all you need to do is have it save and apply, and you can close this here. You don't need that open anymore, and I just wanted to cover how to change scenes. Next, clip it.
Clip processing. Is there anything else that I can do for you today, Solo?
Get subscribed so you don't miss it. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!